Hey everybody, welcome back to this week's vlog. In this week's vlog we've got the Audi R8. Okay, so this one we're going to be doing a genuine Audi rear diffuser replacement on it. Beautiful colour, stunning machine. This one's a Spider, so it's the soft top version. So we're going to go through, again, like all our videos, step by step and show you exactly how this diffuser is replaced. So we'll see you throughout the video and we'll see you for the big reveal at the end. So here we have the OEM diffuser, so pre-preg carbon fibre, as you'd expect from Audi. Very pricey. I don't even know how much this has cost. I've not asked the customer yet, but it will be a lot of money. So this is a replacement diffuser, so we need to remove the OEM diffuser first. This is OEM as well, but we need to get underneath here. So if you just come in with camera, Ali. I'm going to get Isaac to do this. So underneath we've got T25s like on all Audis. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it should just slide out. So we're going to take those out now, and then we're going to go ahead, slide it out, slide the new one in, and get the T25s back in. Diffuser done. So that's all the T25s out. So make sure, if you just come underneath, Ali, so this under tray here, this also masks more bolts underneath. So you've got a couple of T30s under there as well. So make sure that you've got it all. It should be flimsy like this now, like that. Okay, if you're not getting that, you've got a bolt somewhere. So just double check and make sure. So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling it off now. So after you've given it a really good yank, just remove the loom at the back, which will be for the parking sensors. And then just one more. And that should be diffuser free. There we go. Got it? Just stick these in there. It's 2. So that is it. That is the R8 diffuser complete, done. Genuine carbon fibre, so adds to the premium look of this vehicle. So if you need anything from our website, if you like the vlogs that we do, if there's something that you want to see and we've not done it on our vlogs yet, let us know and we're happy to do it for you as well. So that is it for this week. Drop a comment, drop a like, let us know what you think. See you for the next one.